Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's edition of today's newspaper on Monday. It's still Monday, August the 22nd, 2022. I've already solved in this additional 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars. This is really a 4 stars. Then a binary, and the last puzzle I will do is the Tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese, aka Cyber block in Dutch. Alright, with 4 stars, this one will be number 5056. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14. Well, the hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 14, should be an easy one, but it also could be a hard one. But the hard ones, yeah, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes. And this one with 4 stars, yeah, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is a 1. Yes, it's a 1. I see. Here, a single box. All the single boxes are 1. Dual boxes, can we see here the dual box? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here another dual box. I cannot fill those yet. 1 and a 2. Here we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Here only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers, but when you see a triple box, remember the inside box. This box is the box near the middle box, is the inside box, can only be 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, triple box, quadra boxes then. Can we see here the quadra boxes? I see here only 2 quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Here, all the numbers could be everywhere, same like there. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. This T shape is upside down. When you see a T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, T shape. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, and that box has the same number as this box. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. The following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay. More? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the L shape, rotated? This one is rotated. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. Yeah. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle you have we have here 3 shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step is easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well, we have a double 1 here and double 2 there, so this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, and that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Thinking these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. That means that this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. Can it be a 1 anymore? Because we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These two boxes can be 1 in this triple box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a double 3 here, that means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes, so the 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. A 2 and a 3, okay, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, that means that those two boxes can be a 3, because we have a double 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, okay. And that means that this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 1. So I've eliminated the 5. Okay, so the 5 cannot be here, but also cannot be there, because it's reserved for the 3 and the 1. So here can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, it should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1 as a pair. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1. Well, these two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Wow. Double 3 we have here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this is not the solution. Place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be here. Alright. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3 and a 1. Now we have a 1 here. Oh, no. 3 and a 5. Well, we have a 3 and a 1. Well, it cannot be a 1 anymore. It should be a 3 here. Yeah, I marked those two boxes with 3 and the 1. Cannot be a 1. So this box should be a 3. We already have a 1 here, so it's not correct here. This should be a 2. Yeah, this should be a 2. Okay, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the 1. Okay, this is 2, is correct. So now we have 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Then these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this corner box for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, need to think. And that means that this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 5. I think, don't think too long. Well, I'm stuck. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 4 and the 5 here. 2 and the 5, 3 and the 4. Come on. 5, 4, and 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2. I'm thinking. 4 is also missing here. Well, come on. 1. No. Well, 105. 1. Well, this box can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. So it could be 1 or a 5, but I cannot place the 5 here because it's connected with that box 1 or a 5. But in the quarter box we don't have a 5, so it should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. 2 numbers left for the 4 and the 3. Well, I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left for the number 4. Yeah. Alright. Then 3 or this box should be also 3 or 5. Can it be 1? Can be 2? Should be 3. Can it be 4? Can be a 5. 3 or 5. Okay. 4, 3, 5. 4. Well. Yeah, well, this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 5 and the 3. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 5 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. New day, new puzzles on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Bye-bye for now.